Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and as you can tell, I have new hair, renewed hair, and in my previous video you saw how I did at home hair color. But I feel every time I do sort of go through any of these hair color or treatments or anything of that sort, I also need to remind myself that I need to really take care of my hair with the shampoo, conditioner, that sort of a routine that I do. Otherwise, all of these things that I'm doing for my hair to look good, it won't really be of any use. And along with my lifestyle, my job, everything put together, it's been quite stressful. And when you have stress, you get hair fall, which is definitely something none of us want. We all want our hair on my head with luscious long locks. So I realized that I need to sort of take care of my hair in that sense, and let me share the routine that I've been following to combat hair fall. So when I feel like this is an SOS moment, the first range of products that I always go to are the Loreal Professional range. So basically they are the products that I go to when I feel like और कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है and मेरा और कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. This is when I am like something needs to be done or the hair fall is going out of hand. I have used the L'Oreal Professional products for a very long time now, and I really have to say they have some amazing ingredients which is very scientifically researched, which I really feel does such wonders for my hair. And I have like chemically treated, porous, damaged hair. I tend to style my hair a lot and experiment a lot with my hair, so I guess that's why I also need to take care of my hair that much more. So when I wash my hair, I start off first with the L'Oreal Professional Density Advanced Shampoo. It refines hair texture and adds boost and shine to the hair, which we all are in desperate need of. Adds visible bounce and volume, and hello, I am here for the volume. So I have used this for at least 2 months at this point. I use this especially on the days that I feel my scalp needs a little extra TLC, because this really, for me personally, I feel that it really soothes my scalp, and that is something that I really enjoy even in the shower, like as an experience. It has definitely made my hair fuller, stronger, shinier. And when I pair this with my current obsession, which is the L'Oreal Professional Metal DX Mask, like my hair feels like a ba'a. Like just, like look at this. Look at this. My hair feels so smooth and shiny. Now that even after like styling my hair and all of that, just look at the bounce and the fullness that my hair has right now. And I have very fine porous hair, so my hair can look very like flat and weighed down, but I feel this routine has really sort of made my hair like full Bollywood heroine ready, which you all know I am here for. So much so that 3 of my friends have asked me, what are you doing to your hair, Shruti? And I've recommended them this mask, and they have also loved it. So this definitely works, I am so sure. And because we also need to treat hair fall at the root, I have been using the L'Oreal Professional Aminexil Hair Serum. I have made a short about this previously as well. I have, like I said, I've been using it for a good 6 months at this point, and I can definitely say that it has reduced my hair fall considerably. What I like doing is that I section my hair off in 3 to 4 sections, and I spray about 3 to 4 sprays in each section and really massage the spray in my hair. it also really soothes my scalp and gives me that really cooling, calming feeling, which I honestly like. You know, sometimes I'll wash my hair just before I go to bed, and I'll put this serum just before I go to sleep because it just makes me feel so calm and relaxed. And I feel that also kind of helps with hair fall. You know, when you're not stressed and when you're like relaxing and when you are sort of just telling yourself to take a chill pill, that also reduces stress, which reduces hair fall. So I feel, in my experience, this serum is an absolute must have. I highly recommend it because you will not be disappointed. And as you can see, in this side of my hair, I had major thinning, and after using the serum for, like I said, a couple of months now, I have seen new baby hairs growing. There is no better joy than that. Trust me, there's no better joy. So this is basically what I've been doing to control my hair fall. If you have any other sort of suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to know more about that, and I will leave a link to all the products in the description box. If there is just one thing that you want to get from this, please get the Aminexil hair serum. That is a game changer. Trust me, you will not regret it. So yes, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.